Hi guys, so today I came to this place called Taqueria, located in Hoboken, New Jersey. They have multiple locations, but I came to the one in Hoboken. We need to give this packaging a moment for sure. It is super cute. Oh my god, sorry. But it's super cute, I love it. Let's unwrap. I went with my vegan option. Absolutely amazing, but let's see what's the vibe. These tacos need a moment. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I ordered the golden avocado, which is kind of like a fried, like a deep fried avocado taco. The Beyond Meat taco, which is kind of like a chorizo type of vibe, and the Brussels sprouts taco. Now let's see what it's gonna. This place is definitely popular. I would see a lot of people coming in and out of there. So I went with the mango habanero sauce. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, it's a little spicy, for sure. It's a little spicy. Let's start with the avocado taco. There's a lot of grease up in here. I think it's due to the Beyond taco. But let's see what it's giving. Wait, let's take out these limes. I've seen some people, they eat the whole lime, and I'm like, damn, not that gangster. Take a bite of the golden avocado taco. Guys, wow, this is delicious. You could taste like the outside of the what you call it, what is it, the panko, the breadcrumbs, whatever that is. Like, the avocado definitely tastes crunchy. The tortilla is also really good. Golden avocado so far, I give it an 8. Now let's go with the Beyond Taquerizo. No. This taco needs some sauce. Let's pour some of this mango habanero sauce all over this. Guys, it is definitely spicy. From a 1 to 10, I take like an 8. I can't believe it's vegan. Like, what? Let me tell you guys something. Another thing, like, ever since like I went like vegetarian and I've been eating like a lot of like vegan meat and things like that, I feel like I like vegan meat a little more than like regular meat, normal meat. Do other people feel the same? I'm like, yo, this tastes kind of better to me. So we need a drink break. I went with the agua fresca, guava agua fresca. This agua fresca is amazing. I love it. It's not like super sour. It's like perfect. I love it. It's fire. Now we're going with the Brussels sprout tacos, and this is what it looks like. Cheers. I love Brussels sprouts. The Brussels sprouts here are amazing. Amazing. And also, like, even the corn tortilla feels so good. Like, it's not like super chewy. It's like perfect. I love it. So gone over you. Well, guys, for the Brussels sprouts, I definitely give it a 9.5. The Brussels sprouts were definitely my favorite. It is so good. It's just a little messy. I'm not really a fan of like eating like anything that's like super messy. Taqueria, you definitely get a 9 out of 10. Wow. Whoever doesn't have a fork while they're eating tacos, you're crazy. I always get something sweet. Look at what they got. It's called the Nutella nachos. I'm about to go ham. These nachos need a moment. Oh my god. at these nachos, y'all. Oh my god. Fried tortilla chips with brown sugar, powdered sugar, and Nutella. Oh my. I'm laughing and I'm just like, who thought of this? Like, who thinks about this? Like, what the? On a movie night or something? Mm. This is OD.